液循環の不調につながり動悸や息切れの原因に。あなたはどう乗り越えますか？毎回トヨタの車に乗ってモビリティの楽しさや未来をお届けします。See you at GH Group Story of Mobility。
岐阜県の高須インターと富山県の福光インターの間で。
いらっしゃいませ。
今日は滋賀県の熊本インターから新潟県にかけての一部区間で雪のためタイヤチェーンまたは冬用のタイヤなど滑り止めが必要です。この北陸道の金沢方面です。名古屋高速は全線順調に流れています。一般道路の状況です。三重県伊勢市の伊勢神宮内側は初詣に伴う交通規制が行われています。国道23号線の富士宇和社長は2度でしょう。日中の最高気温名古屋岐阜ともに8度の予想で、明日は9度の見込みです。好きな映画やアニメ作品の原作から読み始めているのも希望します。
So that was Ramen Asuka here in the north of Nagoya, and I'm here with Cody from RamenGuideJapan.com, and we just had some great shoyu ramen with Nagoya Cochin chicken, really deep chicken flavor throughout the bowl, lots of chicken fat on top of the thing, everything really excellent. What was your opinion?
Yeah, I mean, we're one of the last 10 people in, so we couldn't get their tori paitan, which I was kind of hoping to get, but I mean, the regular chicken was really fantastic, and don't feel like I missed out on much. It was still a really good bowl of ramen, so yeah, really satisfied with our meal today.
And even though we had to wait 2 hours,
Yeah.
it was definitely worth the wait. And if you're in Nagoya, this is probably one of the best ramen shops you can go to. Maybe just one little step after, behind Ajisai, which is probably the top shop here, or like recognized as the top shop. But yeah, Asuka, they also do like very interesting tsukemen, as Cody said, a tori paitan, and we had to make do with the tori soba, which is their regular chintan shoyu ramen. But it was absolutely excellent. Great toppings. If you're hungry, get the all toppings option. We saw some other guys ordering that one, and it really looked so good. Some kind of grilled chicken there with some skin on that. Yeah, but if you're going for a couple of bowls a day, then maybe that's not exactly an option. But yeah, easy recommendation, I would say. Worth the Nagoya trip already. And yeah, that's all for today. If you want to read some ramen reviews, check out RamenGuideJapan.com. And yeah, click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.